County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:33, a severe thunderstorm was located near Intercession City, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour, with hazards that include golf ball-sized hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Any people or animals outdoors could risk injury. You'll want to move indoors for your protection, especially on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. We could see hail damage to roof, siding, windows, and vehicles, wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kissimmee, Intercession City, Westlake Toho, Poinciana, and Campbell, and you want to remain alert for a possible tornado with a severe thunderstorm warning. It is in effect until 6:15 for northwestern Osceola County.
It is 5:35 now. It's Z88.3. This severe thunderstorm warning in effect till 6:15 p.m. And this is for northwestern Osceola County. As Clelia told you, if you're in Kissimmee, Westlake,
why am I feeling like this? It's outside my house right now. Outside my house right now. I think we could see this one become severe.
Z88.3.
Encouraging songs filled with hope.
Sidewalk Prophets.
Alright. Alright. On to the next alert.